How to unlink EA Games account from Steam. In this video, I am going to show you how to unlink EA Games account from Steam. First, you need to open your web browser and head over to ea.com. Then log into your games account. Second, go to profile on the top left corner of the screen. Then go to account settings. You will see your EA account. Scroll down and head to connections option. Now this page will show you all the platforms account that you link to your EA games such as PSN, Xbox Live, Apple Steam, and many more. Find Steam in the list. Next to Steam, there is an option to unlink or disconnect. Click on the unlink button to unlink your EA account from Steam. Confirm the action, and this process effectively remove connections between your EA account and Steam.